Hello, this is Mr. Health.
What is loud, what is not loud. Here is a way to tell. 0 was 0 decibel. As we mentioned, decibel or dB is a unit for sound level or unit for sound pressure level. 0 decibel is the smallest sound a person with normal hearing can hear. 30, whisper. 40, refrigerator. 60, normal conversation, like my talking. 70, hair dryer, vacuum cleaner. 75, dishwasher. Now it's critical tipping point. 85. 85 is a threshold that any noise, music, sound above 85 are damaging to our inner ear. So we want to avoid that. 95, subway platform. 105. That's another critical point because many cell phones and MP3 players, their maximum volume is about 105 decibel. So there's research showing that teenagers have more hearing impairment than 10 years ago. The increase of hearing loss among teenagers is 12%, mostly caused by exposure to loud music. So we want to limit our time hearing those very loud music through our cell phones or players. We don't want to do more than 15 minutes a day. So turn down the volume. Protect the hearing before our hearing is damaged permanently. So 110, Jack Hammer, rock concert, symphony orchestra are some examples. 120, ambulance sirens, fire truck sirens, thunderclap. We can see often the driver of a fire truck wear this hearing protection instrument because if they don't, they will experience significant hearing loss after working for some time or even become deaf. And 140, jet taking off. 140 to 165, firecrackers, gunshotting. So those are sounds and their corresponding sound level in unit of decibel. So we can see that a lot of research scientists show us that definitely anything above 85 is dangerous. We should avoid as much as possible. A rule of thumb is that whenever in an environment you feel you have to increase your volume significantly so that the person sitting next to you can hear you, that's probably a very loud, noisy environment. You probably want to get out if you finish your task. You don't stay there too long. And even further research showing that some astronauts, after they return to Earth, they demonstrate hearing problems, all kinds. even their living space is not very noisy out there in outer space. What happened? Because even a noise is not above 85. It's not a good thing. A person living in a noisy environment for 27 is not going to have something fun eventually for their years, because even low dosage or low exposure time for noise below 85, for example 65 decibel, if it's continuous 24/7, it is still very harmful. So we may want to avoid them as much as possible.
If you like the video, you can subscribe. Your support encourages me for more videos. Thank you.